ready for the latest job updates in Assam? Today, we are bringing you fresh vacancies from stay tuned till the end for important application. IB Security Assistant Recruitment 2025. The Intelligence Bureau, IB, has released the latest notification for the 4,987 post of Security Assistant, Executive, SA-X, posts in Intelligence Bureau. Eligible candidates can apply for the IB Security Assistant Recruitment 2025-2026 from the official website at www.mha.gov.in/n, starting from the 26th of July 2025. All the important details regarding IB Security Assistant Recruitment 2025 are provided below. IB Security Assistant Recruitment 2025. Overview. Organization name Intelligence Bureau, IB. Last date the 17th of August 2025. Total vacancies 4,987 posts. Post name Security Assistant or Executive. Mode of application online. Category Central Government Jobs. Job location All India. Official website at www.mha.gov.in/n. IB Security Assistant Recruitment 2025 Vacancy details. Post name Security Assistant, Executive. No of post 4,987 posts A candidates, 2,471 posts OBC candidates, 1015 posts ST candidates, 426 posts SC candidates, 574 posts EWS candidates, 501 posts. Eligibility criteria. Candidates who are interested in applying for the IB Security Assistant Recruitment 2025 must ensure that fulfill the required eligibility criteria. Below are the complete details regarding age limit, educational qualification, application fees, and selection process. Age limit. The minimum age required is 18 years, and the maximum age allowed 27 years as on the date mentioned in the official notification. Age relaxation. Candidates must have passed matriculation 10th any recognized board. Domicile certificate. The candidates must possess a domicile certificate of the state against which they are applying. Local language. Must have knowledge of any one of the local language, dialect as mentioned in the advertisement. Desirable qualification. Must have field experience in intelligence work. Application fee. General candidates, 650 rupees per rupees. OBC candidates, 650 rupees per rupees. ST candidates, 550 rupees per rupees. SC candidates, 550 rupees per rupees. EWS candidates, 650 rupees per rupees. Payment mode. Candidates can pay their examination fees through an online payment gateway. Candidates should have any one of the following option to make the online payment: debit card, credit card, net banking or OP. Selection process. Written examination. 100 marks descriptive test. 50 marks interview test. 50 marks document verification. Medical examination. Written exam test. How to apply for IB Security Assistant Recruitment? Interested and eligible candidates can online apply for IB Security Assistant Recruitment 2025 by visiting the official recruitment portal. They can follow the steps given below. Step 1. Scroll down, go to the important web links section. Step 2. Click on the online application link from link. Step 3. A new web page will open. Step 4. Upload your passport size photograph or signature and other required documents. Step 5. Pay the application fee as per your category and finally click on the submit button. Step 6. Don't forget to take the print of the submitted application form. Important dates of IB Security Assistant Recruitment 2025. The IB Security Assistant notification will be released on the 25th of July 2025, and the dates for the online application starting from the 26th of July 2025, and the last date for the online application form is the 17th of August 2025. In recruitment, it is also very important to check the number of vacancies, and it is 4,987 posts. Important dates. Starting date of apply online the 26th of July 2025. Closing date of apply online the 17th of August 2025. Admit card release dates update soon. Exam dates update soon. Result release date update soon. Document verification update soon. Final result update soon. Important web links for IB Security Assistant Recruitment 2025. The online application procedure has been implemented from the 26th of July 2025 and will last till the 17th of August 2025. To avoid any minute obstacles, candidates should register themselves quickly from the official website. You can also prefer the direct link for IP Security Assistant Recruitment 2025 given in this section to ease out your application process. Important web links.